All right, so next thing that we're going to do is we're going to straighten this picture because you'll notice that it is just a little bit off, a little high on the left-hand side. But in order to do that, we've got to do something that I've told you not to do, but you kind of have to. And the thing is, we need to flatten this image. And the reason why will be seen a little bit later. But essentially, what I want you to do is we're going to click on Skyline up here merged, hold down the shift key and click on the bottom Skyline 4 there, and I'm going to hold down the control key and we are going to flatten merge the layers right here like that. Awesome. Now, you could have flattened the whole image, and that would have included the levels in here, but I don't see any reason to do that because this way at least we can go in and adjust the levels if we want. It's not embedded in the image. Okay, good. Click on Skyline 1 merged, and we're going to straighten this first. Hit the letter C for the crop tool. Your size may not look like this. You may have to go up here to the ratio and take it away from the last one that you had. Maybe even just hit this clear button and drag the edges out to the side. Here, like that. Awesome. So everything's out on the edges. Next, I want you to click on this straighten tool, this level. And we're going to start over here on the edge of the water, right on the beach, and drag it all the way down here to around the bridge on the water, right on the edge of the water. There it is. So I'm going along the water line. That's basically saying, yes, this is straight. Let go and boom. See how it makes everything nice and straight. But along the bottom, we've got empty space, and along the top we have empty space. I want you to take these corners and go up here, include the empty space. Also down here, good, include that. Nice. And then I want you to click on Content Aware. This right up here. And what it's going to do is it's going to look at the what's around it. It's going to take a guess. So I'm going to click on the check mark, and it's going to look at that. And that's why we have to flatten it. It's looking at just one layer. And there it is. That's not too bad. I gotta say, it's been nicely straightened and everything like that. This area down here could use with a little bit of photoshopping maybe. Might use the stamp tool on that if I wanted to. But other than that, I think it's pretty good. Please save it as a working file. If you want to use the stamp tool and go on in here and add in a little bit of this bar and get rid of this part right here, then I'd be pretty impressed. Okay? But you don't have to do that in order to get full marks. All right, save it as a working file and submit it to Google Classroom.